The Equator Appliances BIC304CC-ED is a 30-inch built-in induction cooktop that brings fast, precise cooking to the heart of your kitchen. With 4 burners and up to 7,400 watts of total power, it offers fast, even heat. Perfect for everything from gentle simmers to rapid boils. Cook with confidence using two 2,500-watt boost burners, one 3,700-watt boost burner, and a compact 1,800-watt burner to suit every pot, pan, and recipe. Intuitive touch controls give you 9 power levels, a keep warm mode, and a 99-minute timer for each burner. Safety comes built in with auto shutoff, child lock, residual heat indicators, and high to low voltage protection. Just 3.2 inches tall and finished in smooth black vitroceramic glass, the BIC304CC-ED blends performance and style into your kitchen. ETL and FCC certified and backed by a 1-year parts and labor warranty, the Equator Appliances BIC304CC-ED is built to perform and built to last. Equator Appliances, innovation for every space.